Hello students, myself Kavita Ravikiran Sardesai, working as assistant teacher at LK Jarak Vidya Mandir, Jaraknagar. या ठिकाणी आपण प्लेस व्हॅल्यू ऑफ डेसिमल पॉईंट पाहत आहोत. या ठिकाणी मी प्लेसेस लिहिलेले आहेत आणि त्यांच्या प्लेस व्हॅल्यू. डेसिमल पॉईंट लिहिताना डेसिमल पॉईंटच्या डाव्या बाजूला तुम्हाला पूर्ण संख्या मिळते आणि उजव्या बाजूला असतं ते डेसिमल पॉईंट नंतरच्या संख्या असतात. तर डाव्या बाजूला असतात ते होल नंबर असतात. त्यांची प्लेसेस आणि प्लेस व्हॅल्यू कशी येते, युनिट प्लेस, टेन्स प्लेस, 100 प्लेस, 1000 प्लेस अँड सो ऑन लाईक दॅट. आणि उजव्या बाजूला जेव्हा जाता तुम्ही डेसिमल पॉईंटच्या त्यावेळेसचं पहिलं जे प्लेस असतं तर ते असतं 10th प्लेस. त्यानंतरचं सेकंड असतं ते 100th प्लेस, then 1000th place and so on like this. So now we take some example and let's study the place value of decimal point. The first example I write here 28.5. Here 28 is a whole number which is on the left side of the decimal point. This whole number 8 comes at the unit place. Okay, so place value of 8 is 8. 8 ones are 8. 2 comes at the tens place. So place value of tens is 2 is 20. Okay, now after decimal point there is a one digit which is a 5 which comes after decimal point and it is the first place after decimal point. So place value of this 5 is 5 upon 10. That is nothing but the 0.5. Understand? Now we take the second example. See 36.18. This is the second example. In this example 36 is a whole number. So again 6 comes at the unit place. Place value is 6. 3 comes at the tens place. So place value is a 30. Then after decimal point first place is the 10th place which digit at there 1. So place value of 1 is 1 upon 10, that is equal to 0.1. Okay, and there is another number after decimal point which comes at the second place which is called the 100th place. So place value of the 8 is 8 upon 100, that is equal to 0.08. So place value of 8 is 0.08. Okay, now we take the next example. See 578.03. Okay, राईट साईडला लेफ्ट साईडला होल नंबर आलेला आहे 578. वी राईट द फर्स्ट प्लेस व्हॅल्यू ऑफ 578. 8 कम्स ॲट द युनिट प्लेस, सो प्लेस व्हॅल्यू इज 8. 7 कम्स ॲट द टेन्स प्लेस, सो प्लेस व्हॅल्यू इज 70. 5 कम्स ॲट द 100 प्लेस, सो प्लेस व्हॅल्यू इज 500. Then right side of the decimal point, the first is the 0. The place value is a 0 upon 10, that is nothing but the 0. Second one is the 3, comes at the 100 place. Place value is 3 upon 100, that is equal to 0.03. Okay, next is 8.137. 8.137. 8 at the left side of the decimal point, it comes at the unit place, so place value is 8 as it is. the first number to the right side of the decimal point is 1, comes at the 10th place. Place value is 1 upon 10, that is equal to 0.1. Second digit after decimal point is 3, comes at the 100th place. So place value is 3 upon 100, that is equal to 0.03. And also here third digit comes after the decimal point, which is at the 1000th place. So place value of that digit is 7 upon 1000. That is nothing but 0.007. Understand? Very simple. Now we take the another one example here. What we take? 5.3421. 5.3421. The place value of 5 is 5, which because it is comes at the unit place. After decimal point, the first number is the 3. We write direct here the place value. After decimal point, 3 comes at the first place. So place value is 0.3. Okay. Second, 4 comes after the decimal point, second number 4, the place value is 0.04. Next is the 2 comes after the decimal point at the third place, which is the thousandth place. So place value is 0.002. And there is the one number which comes at the fourth place after decimal point. So place value of that is 0.0001. Okay.